Hi, welcome to On the Rocks, our new drink show. Today we are at Anna Salai's Rain Tree, and I have Nazir with me, who is the bartender at Madira, their new exotic bar that you can see around me. And today Nazir is going to show us an exotic summer cocktail. That's what he calls it. Nazir, what are we going to do today?
Today we are very close to nature. At least we have going to prepare a cocktail which is on the seasonal based, as we always get a byproduct from the market which is very accessible and very if it comes in the season time, it'll be really good in the taste. So we choose mango because as a summer season we're getting very frequently, and so we are going to make something which is called Mango Mania, which is very crazy in the market at the moment. And so let's start with that.
Sure.
As ice is concerned, is always as a basic thing for the cocktails for any of the meals. So we are going to make some crushed ice, because for the blending cocktail what we're going to make is this Mango Mania, which is always good to have a crushed ice. So it will be mixing with nicely with the neutral spirits and the liqueurs with the mango. So let's take some of the crushed ice.
Okay, so now Nazir is putting some crushed ice, and I see a lot of mango in front of me, so I'm sure it is going to be an exotic drink.
It's a crushed ice, first one. Then second one, we are going to make some plum, which is already been taken from the freshly mangoes, which is seasonal one. And to give a good enhancing taste, we always need some neutral spirits. What we have a vodka, which is always preferable in all the cocktails. If you see the encyclopedia, it's always have a good neutral spirit is a vodka, which is worldwide very famous, which we're going to use the vodka 45 ml. And to give a flavors, apart from the mango is a coloring agent as well as which gives a taste to you. We have a cointreau, which is orange flavored, a very tiny bit.
What is this drink that you're putting?
That's a cointreau, this orange flavored liqueur. So as a process which called is a blending, which I'm going to use the blender now. Basically, which I want to mention, there is no sugar, which is there is no calorie on it, and which is very much fresh. There is no neutral spirit like a canned juices or any of the preservative which we added on this. Blending is always a preferable method for any of the frozen drink, as we made a Mango Manias and any of summer based cocktails. Blending is a process which has been wild used for all the varieties of cocktail which has been famous in all over the world. Taking a margarita glass, which has been again is famous glass for cocktails like a frozen margarita. So as we are presenting a cocktail which called Mango Mania, which is already in a frozen one. So let's on base of that. Its coloring agent is only pulpy mango, which have a neutral spirit of vodkas and cointreau, and just going to garnish with that. Freshly mangoes squirrels like the skins also have some vitamin and a good value of in the health. That's our cocktail is ready. That's called a Mango Mania. You have to try for it.
Sure. So now with exotic skills of Nazir, we have our Mango Mania ready, and I'm sure that it is going to taste great because it has mango and it's scorching hot outside. So I am sure that all mango lovers out there are going to have a great time. So with Mango Mania, cheers to you. I am signing off, and keep watching our show.